Buddy, most of us are not able to how don't know how to convert the image file into PDF format for writing the examination. If you submit it in the image format, it is very difficult for correction and other things. So now we are going to see how to convert the image into PDF file. So go to Play Store, type CamScanner, install it. So it will be downloading. Once the download completes, it will ask for installation. Okay, if you want to know something about this CamScanner, you can click the video file which is given here. So it will help you, or it will prompt you how it will be how can you convert the image into a document or a PDF. Okay, so you can see here, I'll show you some of the images given here. You have to take a picture over what you have written, and you have to crop it, and you can save it as a PDF. That's it. Okay, so these are things, and the teachers, those who want to correct your things, they can correct it by editors. Okay, so this will be helpful for the teachers to correct your answer scripts. Okay, you can do whatever it may be. It can be converted into Word or Excel even. That is what the important thing that happens in this CamScanner. Okay, so the installing is in progress. You can see the installation has been in progress. Okay, once the installation is over, I just tell you how to open it and how to scan it and convert the images or your answer script into PDF format. Okay, so that will be very helpful. Okay, so here we go. Installation is going to over or complete. Yeah, now we open it. CS is the CamScanner. Start to use. You have to register. Okay, so once it is registered, you can do it whatever it may be. Okay, so I'm going to do it. Once you enter into it, you need to sign up. Once you enter your mobile phone and password, you will need to be this screen. Okay, all documents or whatever it may be, that will be given here. So all those things are given here, and start the scan. It will ask you allow scanner or cam, so you can. It will ask whether you need a demo or not. Will straight away scan it. Okay, so I'm going to scan it here like this. It will capture. Once the capture is over, it will ask for cropping, so you need to crop here. Once the crop is done, I didn't make it properly, so don't do like me. Okay, you just do it accordingly. Okay, so it will prompt you like next button. Okay, you can see the arrow mark navigation tree that has been blinking here. So next, cropping, enhancing image. Either you want it as JPG or the gray mode or whatever it may be. So save. So saving completed, it will be asking to document has been created and done. Okay, once you can open it, it will be saved as a PDF format. And while finishing this, don't take everything as a image. Okay, so once you do all those things, each and everything will be as it will be like a single page, one page as it will be forming, so it will be difficult for you. Okay, instead of this, you can do you can I'll tell you how to edit or how to create all these things. Okay, I just tell you. Fine. And you can share it through email. Okay, so send it to PC, continue to share, open, generating link will be formed. Once this has happened, straight away it will be you can send it through email. Okay, you can see a PDF thing. Once you open this, it will ask for share. Okay, you click on that, and you can click on the email ID or whatever it may be. If you want to send it through email, you can send it, or through G Drive or whatever it may be, you can copy, or you can share it. Okay, sync completed, and that's what. And once it is all over, it will be showing in your I'll show you. Okay, so downloads or home, documents, if you have your file manager, go to file manager, click documents, or if it is not there, go to downloads. I'm going to open cam scanner. In cam scanner, our document is ready. Okay, if you have PDF opener or a viewer, you can use that. Okay, and then you can share it accordingly. Okay, you can open the web page and you can upload it as it is. Okay, fine. Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, thanks.